Hello everyone, my name is Ashwarya and you're watching updates about entertainment and business news on triple.com. Building immunity and following medication schedule imperative to managing heart diseases. The incidence of heart diseases is on rise with statistics indicating that about 23.6 million people will die of cardiovascular disease by 2030. In the event of pandemic like the COVID-19, people with pre-existing heart condition must be more careful and take the necessary precautions given their weak immunity and high susceptibility to complications. Speaking about this, Dr. Deep Chandra Pant, Head of Department of Medicine and Senior Interventional Cardiologist Shri Ram Murthy, Sampark Institute of Medical Science, Barli, said Indians are most susceptible to heart diseases due to their lifestyle as also genetic factors. While it is important to take precautions right at the outset and get the condition diagnosed on time, what is must is to be more careful in the event of pandemic like COVID-19. Ather 450X to hit the roads from November 2020. Ather Energy, one of the India's first smart electric two-wheeler makers, announced the deliveries of their flagship scooter Ather 450X, one of the quickest scooters in the 125cc category, to begin from November 2020. Ather confirmed that by Q1 of 2021, the Ather 450X will be seen on roads across all the 10 cities announced earlier this year. That is in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Kochi, Kolkata and Coimbatore. Tarun Mehta, co-founder and CEO of Ather Energy, said the pandemic did disrupt our timelines by a few months, but we have been able to get back on track with our plans. We used the time to refine our expansion plan and get the ball rolling on the go-to-market strategy. The excitement and the wait has been too long, now we can't wait to get started. Bhim Rao to get disturbed and emotional. In NTV's Ek Mahanayak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar upcoming track, Bhim Rao will be confronted with yet another situation. In the upcoming episode, where Kamda was to settle with her in-laws, but her ultimately death completely changes the scenario. To safeguard the family's respect and reputation, Madhvi's marriage is immediately arranged with the same boy. Seeing this makes Bhim Rao quite emotional, leaving him truly shattered. He wonders how traditions can be so crucial over someone's death. What disturbs him further is to see Madhvi's family gearing up for her wedding, then mourning Kamda's death. Jagannath Nivagune, who plays Ramji Sakpal, said, "We have a very emotional episode in store. Although Madhvi and Kamda are Bhim Rao's Rakhi sister, he genuinely loves and cares for them." Kamda's demise and Madhvi's sudden wedding leaves Bhim Rao completely distraught and extremely emotional. How will Bhim Rao overcome this situation? To know, watch fresh episodes of Ek Mahanayak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at 8:30 p.m. only on NTV. Every generation should learn from each other rather than undermine them, says Rajendra Chawla of Tera Yaar Hoon Main. In the recent interview, Rajendra Chawla said, "This is my second show with Sony Sub after Hum Aapke Ghar Mein Rehte Hain, and it's always a great feeling to be associated with channel that is committed to entertaining the entire family together." When I heard this story, which shows the three generation and equally focuses on their point of view without biases, I really like the concept. You rarely come across stories that are heart-warming and unique. He added, "I play Dadaji Pratap Bansal, the first generation patriarch, the oldest of the three generations depicted in the show. He is very traditional, firm and does not believe in offering explanation for his decisions. If he needs something to be done, it needs to be done. I relate to it because my father was like that. Every new generation feels they are better than the previous generation. However, I feel every generation should learn from each other rather than undermine them." This is it for today. For more updates about entertainment and business news, stay tuned to our channel triple.com.